What's up, everyone? My name's Matt. Welcome back to Michigan Backyard Mechanic. Today, we're working on the 1999 Chevy Silverado Z71, putting back the new door latch assembly to the tailgate. How awesome would that be? Don't forget to watch more videos coming soon. Let's get into today's episode. I just bought this from Amazon for 15 bucks. I'll send the link in the subscription. Made from Taiwan, which is perfect. And here's the old one compared to the new one. The new one is able to function. This is not. Just the other day I tried getting it to work. It was junk. This works perfectly for what I have to do to it, and the way to do it. You got 3 bolts here, and you're going to use a 1/2-inch wrench, just like this, but this one's actually handy, and you're going to just tighten them down as you go. Got 3 of these bolts here that came with the truck, with the bed. And for this, you want to. I got the entire assembly back into the truck. They're 1/2-inch size socket you're gonna need, and a wrench. So we're gonna get plugging and trugging and get it to work, functional. So this just came in the mail today, and we're gonna install it today. So what I do to do this is I put the tailgate up, put this in, and then you start threading your bolts. So get to line up all 3 of them. So like I stated, there's 3 bolts. Sorry about the camera focusing. You've got 3 bolts here, and you're going to use a 1/2-inch wrench, just like this, but this one's actually handy, and you're going to just tighten them down as you go. There's a cat right there. You're fur baby. Alright, so the next step here is the easiest step. Flip the tailgate up. Don't latch it. Dummy proof, right, by the way. And you want to go underneath here. What you want to do is you want to put this handy dandy piece inside there. Oh, hang on. You want to see those washers, or you want to put this string up there inside the hole and lock it down, which is what these are for right here. Put that in. Flip. Got it in. I'm gonna have to take that back off. For this job, I would suggest using both hands. It's easier. Harder with one hand. So now that's up. Now that's good. Let's see if it. Alright. This is cheap. You unravel this here, which, as you can see, there's a lock here and there's a pull bar here, which I am kind of nerdy about this truck now after owning it for a week and saying it's mine, which it is mine now, by the way. I had this for a week, like I stated. I've been fixing it up. In the previous uploads, you'll see that this tailgate was completely off. We put new hinges on it. I didn't record it because it was not fun to do. and I'll show you guys here. We put these new hinges on here. I accidentally bought the same exact brand. These are newer. They take the old one. I took the old ones out, put the new ones in. The older ones are just pure rubbish over there. We end up using this one right here, this old bracket. It was in fairly good shape, but for some odd reason, the bolt snapped off when I was taking it off. So let's see if it actually shuts. It shuts! See, I'm pulling on it right now. I just hit the bar, and it comes down. That's awesome. That works. I call it done. Now the next step is put this lovey-dovey guy on here. It's going to be hard, but I know that because it's never fun to put this guy on. Searching for my knife. Guys, this knife, very helpful. I had that, and it's still sharp. I haven't had to sharpen this knife ever yet. I have not sharpened it yet. It's very sharp. Left a mark on my finger. Alright, so we're going to put this guy on here as my cat's trying to get my attention. Apparently, I didn't know this, but it doesn't come with instructions, but it comes with a sticky. Well, I guess that's it. And I got myself a cover. It came with it for 15 bucks on Amazon. Link will be in the subscription. And tailgate works. Yes, it's a little bit clunky on this side because, well, but it works. For 500 bucks, you can't, for a truck that I paid for 500 bucks, it runs and drives. You can hear it running. It runs. It sounds phenomenal. And that's how you get a $500 truck that's worth it. Look at that. Sick. Light still works. 500 bucks. Yeah, it needs some loving, but I mean, it works. Yeah, it needs a new bumper, but yeah. So, yeah, it runs. A little dent here, needs to be fixed. Nothing but putty. But yeah, 500 bucks. Door needs to be fixed here. There's 3 doors. Door. Show you around. See. Rocker panel shot right here. Boom. That's not the chassis, so. Seat goes up. A little bit harder than I anticipated. But it has a back seat. The front seat works. Heated seats, as you guys can see. And it works, so gotta fix this window now. Maybe just the wires right here that snapped off or something. Speaker works in here, but yep, 3 doors. See how comfortable it sits back here? My new truck, I absolutely love it. And need to be cleaned out. So I'm sitting back here as an adult, as you can see. Front screen, cup holders, yes. Something that all my vehicles don't have is cup holders. Heated air back here, enough seat, enough room back here. Can fit an adult back here, as you can see. I'm a grown adult. I can fit back here. This door handle needs work, but I'm not afraid to do it. So, yeah, for $500 you can't get a truck for this. That is 4-wheel drive. Just a small update. I love this truck. Better than the older truck that I have. Has hand and storage. Need new tires, which they're hopefully I can sell the truck, my other truck, to get that here. I love this tailgate now. It works. As you can see now, and up it goes. It has Velcro on both sides. And there's a little lock right here. Lock. It says lock on it, and lock it. So now you go ahead and try to unlock it, and you can't because it locked on that side. So yeah, that's a quick update for you guys, and there's gonna be more updates soon because I gotta get that brake line butt fixed, and my Buick sitting over there being a good girl. Love that girl, man. I don't know why the lights are on, but they are. It's automatic, so 226,000 miles on it. 4-wheel drive. Dome light works. Cargo light works. This works here. Dome light works in here. Dome overlight. Oh, I guess you have to open up the door. Dome override. On. Off. On. Off. Cracked windshield. Yep. Lights do work, by the way. And engine, the Vortec engine in it, which I do love it. It's a big girl, but needs a lot of loving. So yep. Just put it on the first latch because you gotta open up the door. Yeah. There's gonna be more upgrades to it here shortly, maybe. Nice fender, so yeah, for $500, the LT version, I love it. So it comes with that overlight, and the front windshield is broken, like severely broke, cracked all the way through from the opposite side to not over here. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this, as there's a schedule now for videos, and they'll be coming out every single week. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.